So there were two main areas that we focused on. One was the editorial take, and I'll get my colleague Manika to talk more about that. And the second was technology. आज तक जब भी आपने गणपति की जो इमेज देखी है धारावाहिकों में, वहाँ आपने देखा है कि मेकअप के द्वारा गणपति एक एक्टर के मुंह पे एक सूंड लगा दी गई है. तो जो आपको फाइनल इमेज देखने को मिलती है वो जो आपका कैलेंडर आर्ट है या जो आपको गणपति मंडाल्स में देखने को मिलता है, वो इमेज ट्रांसलेट होके कभी भी सीरियल्स में नहीं आती. तो हमारा बिगेस्ट चैलेंज था कि हम ये कैसे करें. एंड दैट्स वेयर वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड वी केम अक्रॉस great technology that has been used vastly in Hollywood films, which is called motion capture. Motion capture एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो एक एक्टर के इमोशंस को एक 3D कैरेक्टर पर लगा के उसको ट्रांसलेट करती है. और यही हमने गणपति में यूज़ किया है. ये टेक्नोलॉजी फिल्म जैसे अवतार, जैसे प्लैनेट ऑफ द एप्स, इन हॉलीवुड फिल्म्स में यूज़ की गई है पहले. तो अभी we'll take you through a little bit of AV which will show you how this technology is used and how tedious this process has been. In fact, this is अभी तक हमने जब भी शोज़ किए हैं टेक्नोलॉजी को अंडरस्टैंड करने में, टेक्नोलॉजी को ट्रांसलेट करने में एक पूरा लर्निंग कर्व हमारा भी रहा है. इसलिए हमें 1 साल लगा है ये शो बनाने में. और ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस है, ये कैसे पहले एक एक्टर को पूरा टेक्नोलॉजी लगा के उसके एक्सप्रेशंस कैप्चर किए जाते हैं, फिर कैसा एक मॉडल बनता है, फिर उस मॉडल के ऊपर ये टेक्नोलॉजी अप्लाई की जाती है, और फाइनली कैसे गणपति जो आप देखेंगे, जो आपने प्रोमोज में देखे हैं, वो कैसे बनता है. ये एक बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस है. So we'll just take you through that AV and then we'll take you through the AV of the show to show you what the show is looking like. And Mahashweta. Mahashweta has been our counterpart in Sony, and I have had the fortune of working with her on Adalat, Maharana Pratap and Hanuman, and hopefully this show will also go the same way. So now over to you, Shweta.
If you see Ganesha, actually he's short, he's not conventionally handsome, he is not accepted as the gods. This show is about his fight to not only become one of the gods, but the first among them, the Pratham Pujaniya. In the second layer, it's again the story of the mother who stands up for her son and makes sure that he gets his rightful place. And about a father and a husband who is caught between his duties toward his family, at the same time his duties as the Mahadev that he has to perform on the completely opposite side.
जो हमने अपनी कहानी में जो एम्फसाइज किया है वो जब गणपति आए थे, वो विघ्नकर्ता भी हैं, विघ्नहर्ता भी हैं. वो जब शिव के परिवार में आए, अपनी माँ के लिए उनने एक रास्ता रोका, और वहाँ जब बाप भी आया और जब सारे भगवान भी आए, किसी को भी अंदर नहीं जाने दिया, और उसकी सज़ा उनको मिली कि उनका गला काट दिया गया. और उस गला काट के शिव जी ने उनको एक हाथी का सर दिया, which is not the most attractive thing. Sorry.
Basically, the elephant is symbolic to complete knowledge. When the boy was born, he was so full of arrogance that he never recognized his father. He never recognized the God. But once Shiv removes that arrogance and places the elephant head, he is full of knowledge. But still, in spite of that, even the mother asking that, give my son the rightful place in the gods, Indra and the rest of the group, they say ki they had this, anti-feeling towards him. Ki he's not acceptable. Like the promo, the last dialogues were showing. From there, the mother stands up with her son, and the show is about the journey where step by step, through whatever he does, he slowly becomes the first god, the Pradham Pujaniya. To the point that if Shiva wants to do anything, Shiva wants to kill the Tripurasurs, he has to pray to Ganapati. If the mother has to kill someone or mother has to do some duty, she has to pray to Ganapati. If Brahma has to create, he has to pray to Ganapati. If Vishnu has to sustain this world, he has to, pray to Ganapati. Basically, I think the affinity of this show with, I think most of us in this room is, in spite of our, the so-called deficiencies, whether it is physical, mental, or whatever it is, with effort, with the right guidance which he gets from his mother, you can achieve anything in the world. And in this case, he is the foremost, the Pradham Pujaniya. Like you see, no working table or no cars, dashboard, anything goes without the Ganapati's idol. इतना अपना पास आ गया है, but आप बारीकी से उनके लाइफ में देखें तो it has been a huge struggle for him till he achieved. That's what we'll try to capture, show in this serial.
Now I'll hand over the mic to Danish. So Dan, please say something.
There's lots of things, like Ganapati you think is only Vigna Harta, but Ganapati is also Vigna Karta. If for evil he create obstacles. And there are small facets कि क्यों उनके सामने उठा बैठक करते हैं, क्यों you break your knuckles when you face him. There are lots of stories behind all these things. And even like Krishna had a Kans to fight for, even Ganpati had to, fight this terrible Rakshas to survive and, come a winner in his life. Thank you.